What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see, the market's moving up. It's amazing. Everything is green. It's looking beautiful. So let's take a look real fast on what happened. A few days ago on Friday, I was telling you that first we need to break these point of controls and value area lows before we can see any upside. Okay, because remember, every time you're moving up, every level is a resistance level. When you're moving down, every level is a support level. Okay, as you can see, we broke this previous point of controls and value area lows, value area highs, a little bit of everything, right? We also broke the yearly VWAP, which was around here. Then we came to this daily resistance level. As you can see, we had a little bit of issue here, and then we came back to the old point of control from this section here. Okay, as you can see, we had some resistance there. We kept hitting it over and over and over until we finally broke through it. Okay, then we hit this weekly resistance here, as you can see, came back down, got rejected, then we broke through it. Now, everything's looking beautiful, but you do need to understand one thing. As you can see right here, okay, around this, I would say $44,418 to $20 or so, that is major resistance. Okay, if we can break through this section right here, right, then what can happen is that we created a new higher high. If we do that, that means that the market structure has changed in the high time frame and we're starting to look bullish. Right now though, yes, on the hourly and the 4-hour, market structure has changed, and that's an indication that everything can start moving up from there. But if we cannot break this section right here, okay, then we can also get rejected and start coming back down again, right? But if we can break that section, that means that in the high time frame, the market structure has changed, and now we're starting to create higher highs, which is a positive, and we can start seeing $45, $48, $50,000 Bitcoin from there, okay? But if we cannot break this section right here, then again, we'll come back down to this weekly around the 43,000 and then start coming back down to the 42 to 41,000 area. But right now, let's not worry about that. Everything's looking beautiful here. We're starting to move up. The market is loving it. Let's see what happens this week and see if we can break this 44,000 to 400 area. And if we can do that, then of course the next levels will be around the 45 to 46,000, okay, where we had the other range. You see this range right here, okay? Right here, if we can break this section, okay, which is around the 48,000, then of course the next level will be around the 50 to 52,000 area. But do understand, these are high resistant levels, okay? Most likely when we first touch them, we're gonna get rejected or some type of, something's gonna happen, all right? I do not want you to think that we're just gonna go through this without anything. And it could happen, yes, Bitcoin can do whatever it wants. In reality, it can just pump, boom, and just fly, right? But most of the time, when we come back to these ranges here, it does have some type of reaction. Most likely, if we're going up, it's gonna get resistance and come back down. That's just the way the market works. But let's not worry about that. First, let's hit those levels, look for the reaction, and then we can do either we go long from there, short from there, whatever it is. Okay, but just remember, when you hit resistance, you want to go short. When you hit support, you want to go long. Of course, this is not financial advice. I just want to give you some education purpose. I hope you enjoy this short video. As you can see, the markets are green. We're loving it. Everyone's loving it. Let's continue going. Let's see what happens when we hit this 44,400 area. If we can break through that, then we start seeing higher numbers. All right, so make sure that if you're not a member, you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions, and I'll respond back. Okay, warriors, see you in the next video, and remember, let the profits come to you.